Hi everyone, in the 8th video of our course we will discuss about squares. It is easy to find the square of two-digit numbers. For example, square of 43. We have to multiply 43 with 43 by using fast multiplication, which we taught in the 4th video of our course. So 43 times 43 is 1859. There are some special type of numbers. For example, 35, 25, 45, etc. because these numbers are ended with 5. Now rule for this type of number is, first step, write 25 at the end of the answer. Step 2, increase the first digit by 1 and then multiply with the first digit and we get our answer. For example, square of 65. Now we have to write 25 and 6 is increased by 1, we get 7. Now 7 times 6 is 42. So we get 4225 as our answer. Special type of number 2. These are the number in which first digit is 5, like 53, 57, etc. Rule for this type of number is, write square of the last number. Step 2. Add the last digit of number to 25 and we get the first two digit of our answer. For example, square of 57. Now square of 7 is 49 and 25 plus 7 is 32. So 3249 is our answer. Now general step for square of two-digit number is square of 82. First step, write the square of last digit number. So square of 2 is 4. Step 2, multiply first digit with second digit and then double. So 8 times 2 is 16 and then double of 16 is 32. Third step, square the first digit of number. Square of 8 is 64. Now add this term, we get our answer, which is 6724. Let's discuss about three-digit number. First step, forget about the first number for a moment. Now we have a two-digit number. Now just do the square of that number. For example, square of 327. Now forget 3 for a moment. We get 27. So square of 27 is 729. Now second step, forget about the middle term for a moment. So we have 3 and 7. Now multiply both number and double. So 3 times 7 is 21 and double of 21 is 42. After adding we get 4929. Now third step, forget about the last term for a moment. So we have 3 and 2. Now square of first term. Also multiply both terms and double, we get 3 times 2 is 6 and its double is 12. Now after adding we get our answer, which is 106929.